These aren't ordinary candles. Mr. G here, and today I'm going to teach you about Warōsoku. They may just seem like ordinary candles, but these are hand-painted Japanese candles used for special ceremonies like Obon. For Obon, these candles are lit to help guide ancestors' spirits. But what really makes these candles special is the artwork. Many Warōsoku are completely hand-painted by artisans using traditional techniques that have been passed down for generations. This tradition of Warōsoku dates back over 1,000 years to the Nara and Heian periods of Japan. Over time, Japanese craftsmen developed their own unique candle-making techniques, creating the beautiful Warōsoku we still see today. While teaching in Japan, I was lucky enough to join a traditional Warōsoku painting workshop where I got to paint 2 different candles by hand, but let's just say they didn't exactly turn out the way I imagined. This is the candle. I'm going to paint it Australian style. It went horribly wrong. And
which part?
All of it.
And let's have a second check.
Yeah, and there's the dot so far. Very fine movement, a lot of skill. You can do degradation, blend the color into the candlestick, but I didn't do too well at that, so you can't really see it. It didn't go very well.
It didn't go very well.
This is the
Can you?
I can show. This is a good one. Look at this. This is what a good one looks like.
5やったらもうときましょうか。はい。はいはいはいはい。で置いてこれも直して。これも大丈夫？
はいはいこれ大丈夫大丈夫。
Show the kids.
This is traditional Australia design. やべ。いいね。A traditional Australia design. Okay. わあすげえ。綺麗。
本当素敵それ。
Much.
4時40分。4時40分。違うもん。
This is the same. See this one? That is the same. Right? It's the same thing. Very different. Not tamago. Tamago じゃない。Hungry now. お腹すいた。え？ Oh, grapes? あのさ。はい、grapes. It's fixed. Wow. This is what, that's a good one. Mine is. Oh, so yeah, yours is also really good. Whoa. You know. I like the midori chiro. It's good. Oh. いいね. Very pretty. There's like spin. That's great. Oh, myaku. Yes. Spin. Slowly, yukuri. Spin slowly. Oh, myaku.
Wow. Very cool.
Right?
Yeah.
I did all of these. Right?
Right.
Oh, suge. Very creative. Oh, suge. Even though my Warōsoku painting skills clearly need some work, I honestly had so much fun trying this traditional Japanese art for myself. If you ever visit Japan, I definitely recommend giving a workshop like this a try. That's it for today's lesson. Mr. G out.